Are you looking for a recessed luminaire that's both attractive and affordable from a brand that you trust? Or do you need a luminaire that doesn't disturb the plenum? My name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting, and today we're going to show you two products in under 120 seconds from Ledalite. First product is called the Ledalite Shine. Next product is the Ledalite Definition. Both these products are built on the same platform, so specifications are almost the same. Get metric sizes and imperial sizes. Get a 1x1 or a 1x2. Sizes you typically don't see from Ledalite, now available, so get your orders in. UGR values all the way down to 17. You get lumen packages from 1,000 to 8,000 lumens. 90 CRI available with R9 values of 50 and over. Here's a quick video showing you just how easy it is to access those electrical components from below. This video was taken vertically and horizontally. It's still easy to move that lens and access those electrical components. So don't worry about disturbing the plenum again. Here's a picture of the Shine, what this could look like in your space, or the Silkspace Definition. Look at that beautiful architectural look. My name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting. If you have any questions, call me or somebody from our team. We'd love to help you. Thank you.